Good morning, everyone. So, I'm out here doing my morning thing. Yeah. I ran a bunch of birds out of my tree. Listen, they are getting their part, I tell you. I cannot harvest them fast enough. And seriously, I'm not mad at her. I even saw a garden lizard down there. She was sitting on this brick right here, enjoying a fig this morning. So, I'm not mad at her. But this fig tree is amazing, y'all. She's doing amazing. They are so sweet until they are sticky. They are sticky with sweetness, y'all. Just sweetness. That one is real good. So, I'm just enjoying my morning. And yes, we are going to have some rain. So last night, it started storming last night. And of course, New Orleans is full with a lot of visitors for the Essence Festival. And it started raining really, really hard. The thing is that it rained for about 40 minutes, real hard. And then it stopped, right? But of course, there was a lot of water in the French Quarter. One lady goes, "What is all this water?" So I tell you, if you come to New Orleans, especially in the summertime, you may need a canoe. You just may need a canoe. But the great part is that the water goes down very, very fast. And yes, the water went down very fast, and people began to just continue enjoying their evening. Yeah, it was funny. It was funny to watch people, not do any research about a place they're going to and wonder when it rains very hard for about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, and they ask the question, "What is all this water?" Baby, that's Jesus in full effect. That's all. It was funny though, and everybody had a great time. I saw a lot of wonderful people. Yeah, lots of stars. Lots of stars that was just having a great time. Yeah, it was fun. But anyway, guys, let me get my day started, right? Let me get my day started. So Ben and I, we are out in the garden and we are trying to get some beds cleared, like this little raised bed who I haven't seen in a long time because there were lots and lots of flowers and stuff just overgrown in there, right? And look, I know I'm not afraid to just pull them up. When things are not going the way they're supposed to go, then I get them up, baby. I get them up. Yeah. So this is the bed that Ben cleaned this morning. And this bed had ground cherries in it. Now, this was just one plant. I have ground cherries everywhere. So on yesterday, the kids and I, we were out here and we harvest so many. They brought a lot of them home. We ate a lot of them right here in this garden. And yes, there is so many in this little garden bed. The thing about it is, I have to get them out because, oh yeah, baby, they're going to reseed themselves and they're going to come right back up. And I don't want that. So I'm going to try and take off all of this, the top part of this soil, and hopefully I get most of the ground cherries up because, yeah, they gotta go, y'all. They gotta go. Yeah. But this will be a brassica bed, and I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, so Ben is cleaning out the little Katrina brick bed I have back here. Nope, you can't tell there's a bed back here, but there is. It's a little small bed, and it's full of zinnias. So we're getting these zinnias up, and I've taken a lot of deadheading so I can replant a lot of these flowers. Now, these flowers, they just reseeded themselves, right? And they will do it again. And I'm not mad at that. Not at all. Not at all. But it's windy, it's sunny, but it's overcast. And yes, we're looking for the rain tomorrow and Wednesday. We will have a lot of rain. So we're just trying to get some things done before the rain. He's going to wait to cut the grass until after the rain. And I understand that. I'm with it. But I just need to prepare this little bit because I'm going to drop broccoli in here and some collard greens. I'm excited about it. The fall garden. I just want everything waiting for me. After get all the ground cherries up, I am going to fertilize this soil with some super juice and 511. I gotta wait for the rain to pass me by. But it will be nourished so it can feed all of my superfoods that I'm planning on dropping. And I'm gonna drop a lot of fall vegetables for me, my sister, and my daughter. Yeah, I'm excited about my fall garden. Are y'all excited? Yeah. So this is where I have my VGO containers. They're in the garden, and as you can see, they're doing well. I have a tomato plant in one, and it's doing beautifully, right? I do have one tip for VGO users that grows outside. So I would suggest if you grow your VGO containers outside is to place them in where there's a structure overhead, simply because we have been getting rain every day, and every day I have to come out and let water out of my VGO containers, right? So if they are in a place where it's not covered, yeah, get ready to always, let the water out because water will be filled in there. So that is my only problem that I have with my VGOs. And matter of fact, I think for the fall season, I'm going to put them in another place in the garden where there is an overhead structure for them. So this is my, I'm sorry, wait a minute. Jamaican sorrel, Lord. And sometimes this is what I do. I put water in this PVC pipe. You can see she got water in her. And that's just so I can really make sure that the roots are getting water, right? Yeah. These are Rose Biancas. That's what that is. I'm gonna move them, but not yet. Not yet. So this is my morning walk through the plantains. Now I share with you all that when I want to know where a blossom is, I just look at the ground because you see the petals. You know, if it's big enough, you'll see the petals. Look at him over there. I don't know what he trying to do over there. But anyway, I checked the petals. So let's see what we got here today. So we got her. She's the one who's dropping petals. Now there's another one in there. You can see her petals, but a lot of them is getting hung up on the other plantains. Let me see, can I get to a spot where you can see her? Let's see. Ah, there she is right there. She's trying to come up from all of that. That's her in there. So what I'm gonna get Ben to do is kind of cut some of these leaves away, just to help her fall down, right? My, y'all, there's a new one. Look, you see her? That's her. That's a new, get out of the way. There's a new one right there. Wait. There it is right there. That's it right there. That's a new blossom. Yeah. Okay. Let's keep going around on this side. Let me bring it down. Oh, right in my face. There's another one. There she is. Let me move this. Oh, there she is. That's her. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay, there's nothing on that one. There's one right there. You see her? Oh, sorry about that. But anyway, there she is. All right, let's go on the other side. Ooh, y'all. I'm gonna go the other way. Hold on. I had to sit for a minute and talk to one of my neighbors. You know, they see me recording and they want to have a conversation. But anyway, the bees, there's one bee over here. But let's go on the other side of the plantains. Let's see what the other side look like. Okay, so this is the other side, and this is one. She's doing really good. She's doing real good. And she's dropping her petals. That's her petals down there. Let's go see. All right, so that is the only other one, but the other one is over there, but I shared that with you. I was on that side, so that is it. Let me go in the front and just see something. Wait 1 second. All right, that's it. That is it so far today. And I have elderberries growing right, yeah, everywhere. There's elderberries. But anyway, that's the check on the plantains for Saturday, July 6th. Yeah, it's crazy. And a blessing. Amen. Amen.